Join me as I dive into the world of AI in gaming and see if I can conquer the latest challenges it brings. The gaming industry is on the cusp of a revolution, and AI is at the forefront of this change. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, game developers can create more immersive, engaging, and dynamic experiences that were previously unimaginable. From enhancing player interactions to generating vast, explorable worlds, AI is set to transform the way we play games. Despite the advancements in gaming technology, there are still significant limitations that impact our experience. One major issue is the lack of realism in non-player character, or NPC, behavior. Often, these characters feel scripted and predictable, which can pull us out of the game. Another limitation is the repetitive nature of gameplay mechanics, which can lead to boredom and a sense of monotony. Furthermore, game development is a costly and time-consuming process, which can limit the scope and ambition of projects. This can result in games that feel constrained and lacking in depth. The narrative and storytelling aspects of games also suffer from these limitations, often feeling linear and unengaging. AI is being integrated into games in a variety of innovative ways. One area seeing significant development is NPC behavior. By using AI, developers can create characters that learn, adapt, and interact with players in a more realistic and responsive manner. Another exciting application of AI is procedural content generation, which allows for the creation of vast, unique environments and experiences. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we explore and interact with game worlds. Additionally, AI can be used to create personalized gaming experiences, tailoring the difficulty and narrative to individual players. This can lead to a more engaging and satisfying experience. A groundbreaking example of AI integration can be seen in recent games that utilize advanced machine learning algorithms to create realistic character interactions and dynamic narratives. For instance, some games use AI to analyze player behavior and adjust the difficulty level accordingly, ensuring that the experience remains challenging yet enjoyable. This technology has also enabled the creation of more realistic and responsive environments, where characters and objects interact with each other in a more lifelike manner. Moreover, AI-driven narrative tools allow developers to craft stories that adapt and evolve based on player choices, adding a new layer of depth and replayability. As AI technology continues to advance, it's clear that the landscape of gaming is changing. With the ability to create more immersive, dynamic, and personalized experiences, the possibilities for game design and player engagement are endless. The future of gaming looks bright, and it's exciting to think about what innovations AI will bring. If you're as excited about the future of gaming as I am, I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI in gaming. Please comment below and share your ideas on how you think AI will shape the industry. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into future gaming trends.